How to fight City Hall and win. It's not easy. Everyone thinks that you can't fight City Hall. But the bottom line is, if you're the underdog, if it's a David versus Goliath battle, you need to speak to us, Gotham Government Relations and Communications, and our law firm, Gerstmann Schwartz. I'm David Schwartz. My partner is Brad Gerstmann. We have a great team of professionals who will teach you and guide you on how to fight City Hall and win. It's not easy. It's a lot of work. But you can do it by putting yourself together with strategic alliances. That's the key, is there are always people strategically aligned with your issue in City Hall. For instance, right now we're representing all the taxi cab medallions in their fight against Uber. It's not an easy fight. It is David versus Goliath. Uber is a $15 billion hedge fund against all these single owner operated taxi cab medallions. But slowly but surely, we are winning the battle. We're teaming up with a lot of handicap groups who Uber is clearly discriminating against. They are teaming up with the taxi cabs who have to be 50% handicapped accessible by the year 2020. And we believe all the rules should apply equally to everyone. So the way to fight City Hall is always, number one, get your strategic alliances in place, win the court of public opinion, use the media, use social media, use all the tools in the tool belt. And old-fashioned lobbying is the key. You got to go door to door. You got to find your political champions. Finding your political champion is not an easy process. You have to go door to door, but once you find that political champion, you have hit gold, because that politician or that legislator or that governor or mayor will be on your team because you have found your champion, and they will use their machines in order to get the issue moving forward. So it's about getting the strategic alliances, finding your political champions, using the media, old-fashioned lobbying, going door to door, writing very intelligent position papers, but you got to keep it simple. You got to dumb it down because people don't have time to read every single issue. And you need constant lobbying. Lots of people think they could go to Albany and they could go there one time and they think they've accomplished the world. They haven't. It's non-stop. You got to call. You got to write. You got to show up in their offices. You got to use social media. You got to use print media. And you got to use TV and radio. And you got to hit the people you're trying to convince every single week. Repetition is key. Repetition is important, and that's why companies need to go out and hire professionals like us, because that's all we do, is we present the issue, we repackage it, we present it in different ways, but repetition is the key. The more times you hit them, the more likelihood that your issue will move forward. You'll either get the bill that you want in Albany or in the City Council, or you will block that bill by using repetition, by being passionate, by being smart, and by using your strategic alliances together as a team. You can fight City Hall and win.